Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an accessory that can truly elevate the listening experience for owners of the OnePlus Buds 3, Buds Pro 3, Nord Buds 3, and Nord Buds 3 Pro, the TENNMAK 6X Eartips replacement set. Right out of the gate, what stands out about these eartips is the material. They are crafted from a high-quality silicone, which immediately conveys a sense of premium feel. This isn't just any silicone. It's designed to be both incredibly flexible and remarkably durable. This combination means they can withstand daily use, bending and conforming to the ear canal without losing their shape or integrity. A fantastic practical benefit of this material is that they can be washed directly with water, making hygiene and maintenance incredibly simple. Keeping your earbuds clean and fresh has never been easier, which is a huge plus for anyone who uses their earbuds frequently. One of the most thoughtful features incorporated into these TENNMAK eartips is the special mesh design. Each eartip includes a dust mesh, which acts as a protective barrier. This is crucial for preventing dust and debris from entering the earbud speaker, helping to maintain sound quality and prolong the life of the earbuds themselves. It's a small detail, but one that speaks volumes about the attention to user experience and product longevity. Finding the perfect fit for earbuds is paramount for both comfort and sound isolation, and TENNMAK addresses this brilliantly by including 3 different sizes in the packing. Users will find 1 pair each of small S, medium M, and large L eartips, providing a total of 3 pairs. This variety ensures that almost everyone can find an optimal fit, which is essential for achieving the best possible audio performance and preventing the earbuds from falling out during activity. A secure and comfortable fit also significantly enhances noise isolation, allowing for a more immersive listening experience. The presentation and storage of these eartips are also well considered. They come neatly packed in a hard PP box. This isn't just for aesthetics. The robust box provides excellent protection for the eartips when not in use, keeping them organized and safe from getting lost or damaged. The eartips themselves are presented in a sleek black color, which complements the design of most earbuds, including the compatible OnePlus models. In summary, for anyone looking to replace worn-out eartips or simply upgrade their current ones for their OnePlus Buds 3, Buds Pro 3, Nord Buds 3, or Nord Buds 3 Pro, these TENNMAK silicone eartips offer a compelling solution. Their quality material, thoughtful mesh design, comprehensive sizing options, and practical packaging make them a standout choice for enhancing comfort, hygiene, and overall listening enjoyment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.